The internet is sizzling with controversy over a single overcooked steak. But why has this culinary mishap ignited such a global firestorm? Let's slice into the heart of this meaty debate. It all started with a viral post showcasing a well-done steak that looked more like a charcoal briquette than a prime cut. The image spread like wildfire, with food enthusiasts worldwide expressing their outrage. But is this really just about a piece of meat? To understand the uproar, we need to look at the science of steak. From rare to well done, the perfect steak is a matter of personal preference. However, many chefs argue that overcooking can destroy the steak's flavor and texture. As heat breaks down proteins, it can lead to a tougher, drier piece of meat. But cultural perspectives play a role too. In some countries, a well-done steak is the norm, while in others, it's considered culinary sacrilege. This cultural divide adds fuel to the fire of the debate. Psychologically, our attachment to food runs deep. It's tied to our identity, memories, and even social status. So when someone ruins a steak, it can feel like a personal affront to some. Social media amplifies these feelings, creating echo chambers where outrage can quickly spiral out of control. But this debate isn't just about steak. It touches on broader issues like food waste, culinary elitism, and online bullying. In the end, while we may disagree on how to cook a steak, perhaps we can agree that kindness and respect should always be on the menu,